Routing in Angular. Routing in Angular refers to the mechanism by which the application's views and navigation are organized. It allows you to define the navigation flow and associate different components with different routes or URLs in your application. Angular's built-in router provides a powerful way to handle navigation between views. To use the Angular router, an application needs to have at least two components so that it can navigate from one to the other. Import these components into the router module file at the top of the file. Router module. It needs to be imported into the main application module and configured with routes. Routes. Routes are configuration objects that define how the application should navigate based on the URL. Define your routes in your routes array. Each route in this array is a JavaScript object that contains two properties. The first property, path, defines the URL path for the route. The second property, component, defines the component Angular should use for the corresponding path. There are some Angular router features explained here. Router outlet. The router outlet directive is used in the template to specify where the routed component should be displayed. Router link. The router link directive is used in the template to create links to navigate between different routes. Router service. The router service is used to perform programmatic navigation within the components.